I just woke up. You know the drill. I made a little coffee. I think I'm gonna start switching to decaf or half calves because I realize I don't know if I like the caffeine in coffee. I just really love the process of making it. So I'll keep you guys updated. I know you're really concerned to know, but I'm doing a what I eat in a day today. It's gonna be some yummy food on the menu, so you'll have to stay tuned to find out. This morning for brekkie, I'm feeling like I would like to make a smoothie. You could definitely use an extra boost of nutrients as well if what I'm feeling is correct. And I wanted to get into today's sponsor of today's video, which is kind of funny to do at about 10:30 a.m., but big thank you to Haus for sponsoring today's video. They're such beautiful packaging. They are an aperitif company, so this is my 21 and year older crowd sponsorship. They make really delicious aperitifs. They're all really herbal and delicious and unique. This one is ginger yuzu. I love this one. And then I picked out rose rosé. Kind of nice to mix it up, but they have a bunch of different flavors and they really focus on like clean ingredients, stating out everything that goes into their product and what you're drinking. Obviously they're around like 18 to 20% alcohol content, and then you can mix Prosecco in if you wanted to make it a little more boozy, or add tonic water to make it into like a cocktail, or you can drink them on the rocks. So I think they're really fun. I was drawn to it because we're going into winter soon and bars, like the sidewalk open bars, are not going to be a thing probably in winter, so it just seemed like a nice little way to make things a little bit special on occasion at night and delivered straight to your door, so that also is good in a time like now. So, well, if you want to check them out, the first 100 people to purchase 2 bottles and click the link in my description box and use the code WEARILIVE will get $10 off plus free shipping. So check that out if you want. Now we're gonna switch lanes. We're gonna pivot really quickly, and I'm gonna make a smoothie for breakfast. But on top, I think like berries and peanut butter is so good together. And it's a little extra protein in there, and this is really freaking good. I guess I've done it like with acai bowls, which is essentially what this is, but and I'm sweaty because I worked out. I've been doing these dance workouts via Forward Space online. They have like an online program, you have to pay for it, but I'm in a free trial right now. But it's really fun and it's really nice, and it gets you really sweaty, so recommend. Yeah, lunchtime. about 6 p.m. It's already getting dark out. I'm gonna keep saying that until it registers to me. So I'm gonna go get some sparkling water from the bodega really quick so I can make a delicious cocktail with my Haus, which I told you about earlier. I'm gonna do the citrus yuzu. It's gonna be delish, and I'm just gonna have a little night at home. This is my bodega run outfit, and I'll see you guys in a second. Don't worry, guys. Secured the bag. Am I right? Oh, sparkling water. Love that. Guys, these look delish. This beverage is great. I'm feeling good. I'm gonna watch The Bachelorette. Ooh. The perfect night, honestly. So excited to eat these. Look delish. Always be flexible. That's the life lesson we learn. Something doesn't go your way, you just be flexible. All right, let's see what they're up to. Okay, these tortillas look so good. They're like handmade.
I couldn't be more excited to take this.
Yeah.
I want to see if there is chemistry, if there is that connection. Crazy, unexplainable chemistry.
Watch it clear.
Okay.
You might be like, it's weird.
And it gave me a little pep in my step because it reminded me. I appreciate that.
He needs to go to therapy, not be on The Bachelorette. He's like, I need to learn to open up. She can't teach you that. I forgot to film an outro, so here I am. Thank you so much for watching and being here. I hope you guys enjoyed this, got some recipe inspo. If you want to check out Haus, you can check them out in the description box and use my code WEARILIVE to get $10 off your first 2 bottles and free shipping. And otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one.